viewers, hello my YouTubers, Natalia with you. Welcome to my channel, and if you are here, it means you are interested in Belarus or you plan to come to visit our beautiful country. We are in Minsk today, and in this video I will make a quick review from our main train station, because if you come to Belarus, probably you will need to visit this place to grab some tickets to another regional city, or just to drop your luggage while you walk around the city. So I hope that this video will be helpful and informative for you, will make your trip more comfortable. Stay till the end. First, answering your questions, Natalia, where your train station is located. Is it somewhere far away? Where is bus stations? Our train station is located just in the center of the city, near metro station Площадь Ленина, or Lenin station. Two stations are located close to each other. Our train station, you can see, and if you look at that area, maybe 200 meters away there is a bus station. So if your arrival to Minsk is by bus from the side of Lithuania or Poland, it means that you will arrive just to this area. I will show you everything what you can find here. Follow me. But first, let's buy a ticket. Let's buy some tickets to the train. If you plan to buy a ticket to some regional cities, you have to turn to the left and you will see over there ticket office. We will go right now to that place. If you plan to travel by diesel train, you have to follow to the right that way. But I'm going to buy tickets to Brest. We'll go this way. By the way, our train station is quite comfortable, and you can find here the place to eat. You can feel safe here. It's so clean. There are no homeless people, there are no people who beg for some money and so on. Everything is under control, and you can feel really safe here. Here is the entrance to tickets office. People are polite, but unfortunately not everybody speaks English. So I bought my ticket. It was quite fast because I knew the number of my train, and here they are. There is no need to have a passport, and as I said before, you have to check the schedule, which train do you need to take, and I will leave the link below this video with the website. There you can find the schedule and the price for your tickets. Tomorrow I'm going to Brest. Well, if you don't use the website for checking the information about trains, let me show you the place at this train station where you can check the schedule and know exactly the number of the train you need. Follow me. We just entered. Here you can see the information terminal with a digital information desk, and you can press the language English. Oh yeah, so I pressed the bottom was English language, and here you can find Minsk, and start the typing station. Here you can find Minsk, and you can choose, for instance, Grodno. This lady talks without breaks all the time. Sorry. So if you need this luggage storage, take the level -1 and you will find it. It works 24 hours every day, and I will show it to you right now. It's pretty cheap to keep your luggage over there. So this is level -1, and you follow this way. You see the luggage office. Here is the price, and you pay 1 ruble 70 kopeek for 1 day of one piece of your luggage. So you grab a ticket over here and drop your luggage. They accept foreign cards, so you can pay by your card. But just in case if something goes wrong, for instance, like today they have some technical problems, it's better to have cash in Belarusian rubles. But where to exchange the money, I will show it to you right now. Follow me. By the way, just in front of this luggage storage, there is a WC for ladies, which is quite comfortable, and you have to pay 80 kopeek. So our toilets are not for free, and you have to be prepared with Belarusian currency. Everything is very clean. You can grab some snacks here. Well, guys, if you are here on this train station and if you need to buy a SIM card, there is a cell company, MTC. I will show you the office of this company, and you can get here is, you can see the information, and here is the office. The working hours of this office from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. so you can come and get your SIM card over here. We are on the level 0, just below the entrance, and here you can find luggage office, luggage storage, WC for ladies. This is on the right. If you turn to the left, you will find WC for gentlemen, and the place where you can find a SIM card. If you walk straight, if you go straight, here you can find 2 currency exchange offices from Belarus Bank on the left and on the right. 24 hours they work and they will serve you. And here is the information desk on the way to find your track if you need to take a train. You can get some sandwiches, but let me show you another part of this building, waiting room and the place where you can eat. So from the entrance we take one level up. I feel quite confusing because for me this is the 2nd level, but they call it 3rd floor. Here we are. Look, what a gorgeous view do we have. I want to check working hours of Burger King in case if you want to buy some food over here. Here it is, from 7 to 33. I want to show you a local buffet or stolовая, a local canteen, where you can feel the atmosphere of Soviet Union. So if you took this way all the way up till the waiting room, turn to the left and I will show you the place. where I usually eat when I'm here on this place. Well, the name of this cafe is New Century. Just listen how it sounds. Well, here we can see working hours. By the way, I'm very hungry and I want to grab something. Are you with me? Will you join me? Coffee, alcohol drinks. Doesn't look so fresh, but buckwheat, some vegetables. So I'm so hungry that I decided to choose this rice and this chicken. Благодарю. Спасибо. So I want to show you some prices. Here is борщ, 2 rubles 80 копеек, and so I took filet, 5 rubles 85. Some goodies. So here you can see some salads, appetizers and desserts, like in Slovenia. They look pretty yummy. Well, as I said, I'm very hungry, so I decided to eat in this cafe, New Century, which is on the top floor, and in this building, old-fashioned, like atmosphere of Soviet Union, and food is quite eatable. So I got what can I say? That price is cozy, and the chicken is really good. I like it. Chicken is very fresh. I didn't eat the whole day. I paid for this main course almost 8 Belarusian rubles. I'm enjoying it. And the view is awesome. Well, my dears, if you find this video informative, helpful and interesting, you can buy me a cup of coffee. I'm leaving 2 links down below this video. You can use them. And see you in my next video very, very soon. Stay tuned.